Okay, so I am working on a 2015 Ford F250, and I'm a little pissed off right now, to be honest with you. I was given a job. They said customer wants all these handles in this truck to be replaced. I'm thinking to myself, okay, no big deal. Chrome handles. They don't want the chrome, they want all the black to match all the way around. I've got an issue. They ordered their aftermarket parts instead of the factory parts from a company called TRQ. Look to be pretty decent looking handles, right? Take it out of the package, and you look at these collars right here where they sit down inside the hole. They're 1.5 times the size of the ones that mount inside the vehicle. So when you go to sit this flush, this is going to sit like this inside the door, and it's going to go in. These collars where these studs are too long. They leave it sticking out past where the factory one would sit, and it doesn't sit right. It doesn't even look right. They don't send you new seals with it to go around the door. There's no weather stripping, so you have to use silicone. And then on top of that, this door here just locked up on me. I couldn't get the door back open after I installed everything. You see how I had to use all this silicone all the way around to dress this up? Now I'm gonna have to pull it out and redo it again, because I put this handle in there thinking, oh yeah, everything's fine. Well, look at the rod length. So this goes in, this will go in the hole like this. Let me turn this little light on. This will go in the hole like this, and it will sit like this. This rod length is about 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch longer. I can't hold it correctly. And the threads sit further down. So when you go to engage the collar of the lock, when you pull the handle to open it, it needs to be grabbing up here. It can't, because the threads are all the way down here and it's not opening the handle all the way. So I would be very, very, very aware of using this company unless they fix what's going on here. Probably a cheap set, because you get all the door handles and the trunk, and it doesn't fit right at all. No seals. The mounting platform's longer than the factory, so it doesn't seal to the vehicle correctly. And the rod lengths, you got to pull the old rods out and toss the new ones and use your old rods. Just a complete trash design, man. I'm sorry, I don't like to bash people and stuff like that, but this is not acceptable at all. Even for an aftermarket company, this is not cool. You can tell I'm a little ticked because I'm having to go through all this. But I wish companies would do better. I wish they would really do better. This is what you get when you buy aftermarket parts from the cheapest sources that you can possibly get it from. And if this isn't a cheap set, I would be embarrassed to even buy it. Anyhow, that's my review on the TRQ F250 door handle replacements.